Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, I/O board, system board, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Remove the three 3.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the left display panel hinge off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. The right display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the left display panel hinge onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the three 3.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Replace the right display panel hinge in the same manner.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.